Hey, how's it going everybody? It's Chase here at Rocky Mountain. Thank you so much for joining me. So today's video, we're gonna show you the different tank bag options from Giant Loop. You have the Fandango, the Diablo, and the Buckin Roll. We're gonna talk about all three, some of the differences between them. And if you're not familiar with Giant Loop, so Giant Loop got to start way back in 2008. And what they were always really known for is that horseshoe-shaped rackless bag that they have. Well, since then, obviously, it's been a long time. They've added a lot of other great luggage options to their lineup, including these tank bags. But recently, they were actually bought. And in 2025, they went through a whole rebranding. So their logo is now different. They've changed the material and the construction of their bags. And I'm honestly a big fan of it. And I really think that they've just given them a more modern look to their adventure luggage. So if you have questions though, as we go through and we talk about these today, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. And if I could sum up Giant Loop in just a few short words or sentences, I would be well thought out and durability. That's kind of these, things that Giant Loop is really well known for. So let's talk about these. So as I mentioned, you have the Fandango, which is 8 liters, the Diablo, which is 6, the Buckin Roll is 1.5. The construction on all three of these is going to be the exact same. It's their bombshell fabric with radio frequency welded seams. So these are going to be waterproof. They don't say submersible, but if you get caught in some rain, these are going to keep the water out. And also the Fandango and the Diablo both utilize the exact same size base. So it's going to be the same for both. And really, if you were to compare these side by side, the dimensions are very similar. It's just going to be a 1.5 inches shorter, the Diablo will be, in the front and the back. So again, 8 liters, 6, 1.5. I will say that when it comes to the sizing, I do feel like, or I hope, that Giant Loop is maybe thinking about making another tank bag that bridges the size gap between the Diablo and the Buckin Roll. I just feel like for dual sport bikes and smaller ATV bikes, I feel like the Diablo might be a little bit overkill and too large for some of those smaller bikes, but you're certainly probably gonna want more storage space than what the Buckin Roll will give you. So it would be nice if maybe they were gonna add one more option in there just to bridge this gap a little bit. But let's talk about these. We talked about the construction. They do have their limited lifetime warranty on these, so any manufacturer defects, things like that, they're going to replace this for you. But I have this Fandango off the base just so you can see exactly what it looks like. These zip-on, nice large YKK zippers on here. And there's a couple nice features about this zip base. First, it makes it easy to refuel your bike because when you get to a stop, all you gotta do is just unzip one side about halfway and it just flips open. You can refuel your bike. What's also nice is you'll notice that they have it's concave right here. And they do that just to make sure that your vent line on your bike can still breathe and it's not getting pinched off. So that's why they have this concave design. You also have this handle here because if you get to a destination, they want to make sure that if you want to, you can just take the whole tank bag with you, leave the base on the bike, you unzip it, you've got this carry handle, you take all your valuables that are inside, you just take them right with you. It's very easy to do. Okay, so as far as the inside goes, we'll get to that, but real quick, I just do want to show that they do have a little zipper keep right here on the side. That's just going to prevent this zipper from possibly opening while you are riding. On the back here that's facing the rider, they got this little expandable mesh pocket, which is nice. On the top, on all three, you have this MOLLE webbing. Now I had a conversation with Giant Loop and I asked him, is there anything specific that you built this MOLLE webbing for? They got rid of the old clear map pocket that they used to have. Nobody uses paper maps anymore. So they got rid of that. Now they have this MOLLE webbing and they told me that one, you as a rider, you can get creative and you can attach whatever you want to using the MOLLE straps, but they are also in the process of building accessories built for these tank bags that will attach using this MOLLE webbing. So just be on the lookout as they release more accessories to go along with these bags. In the front, you do have a port for a charging cord. And then if we open it up, I like too that you got big old pull tabs on these zippers to open it up. And with it open, inside the lid, big mesh pocket here with a keychain ring. And then as far as the main compartment, nothing too crazy. You've got this center divider. You can move that forward and back. And then you do have some expandable mesh pockets on that as well in the front and the back. So you've got some elastic loops here, and then this is an actual pocket. What's also nice too is that you could take dividers from say a camera bag and you could put those inside here as well. If you want more organization, if you want to kind of close certain sections off, you can do that. But what I do appreciate about these bags is they are big. You can fit your DSLR camera inside here. You can fit a lot of accessories. When it comes to tank bags, if you're new to this and you're just kind of putting one together, we've done videos that show you what we like to take in our tank bags, but it's just the things that you're using often that you need quick, easy access to. I also like that you have this large lip that comes all the way around the top here. So when you put this lid over, that is just creating that good barrier there to keep dust, water, things like that out of the inside of the bag. So we'll zip that back up. So as I mentioned, 6 liters, 8 liters on the Fandango, same size base. As far as the install process goes on these, if you've never attached one, it's very simple. You just have this forward strap that will go around the head tube, the front of the bike. And then you have these 2 straps in the back here. And I also like too that the buckles are way up here, just underneath the tank bag. So you don't have to worry about those maybe rubbing on your legs. It's not gonna interfere whatsoever. And what's nice is that you take these straps, and every bike's gonna be a little bit different. These are universal. So you're just gonna find a good attachment point around the frame of the bike where you can route these straps. But like I said, once you put this on, because the bag just zips off, you just leave it on there. You don't have to take it off. Giant Loop does sell a vinyl tape that you can buy separately that you can put down on your bike in the areas where this will be contacting. If you are worried about it scratching up your plastics or your tank, they do offer that. Also, Giant Loop does have their pannier pockets, which you can also pick up, which attach to the front of the tank bag. You can also install those separately. And those are just another small little option that you can integrate with this if you're looking for even a little bit more storage at the front of your motorcycle. And then last but not least, you got this little guy right here. This is the Buckin Roll. Awesome if you're just not needing a lot to take with you on the front of your bike, or for small dual sport adventure bikes where maybe you just don't have a ton of room, then this is gonna be a great option. And again, it's going to install the exact same way. You got the front loop around the front, you got the side straps, zip off base, everything's gonna be the same there, but on the inside, so you've got a zipper pocket here in the lid with your keychain clip. And then on the inside here, you're not gonna have any sort of way to put dividers in here as far as Velcro, but they do just have a couple of elastic loops on the bottom here. You could put items underneath there if you wanted to hold something in place and keep it from possibly bouncing around. Those are the 3 tank bag options from Giant Loop. You got the Fandango, the big dog, 8 liters, the Diablo at 6, the Buckin Roll at 1.5. It's gonna be up to you to decide how much you want to try and put inside your tank bag. If you want to go all out with the Fandango, or if you just want to take a few items with you, your cell phone, maybe a couple snacks, your keys, things like that, check out the Buckin Roll. If you have questions though about these, please leave those down below. We'll get those answered. To shop these and just to see the different luggage options that Giant Loop has to offer, click the link or head over to Rocky Mountain's website. We ship for free over $75. And if you want to stay up to date on product videos like this, get subscribed to the Rocky Mountain YouTube channel. I am Chase, and we'll see you on the trails.